Do you know I've never learned how to make hair before? I made this beautiful hair for my sister. So guys, my sister wanted to go on a date, but she didn't make her hair. Her hair was not looking good. Her hair was looking so unkept. Her hair was not looking good at all. So I decided to stretch her hair and fix her hair. At least I can make her something beautiful to carry. She can also use it and wear wig. So this is when I was stretching her hair. So I stretch her hair. Her hair, she still have her virgin hair, her unrelaxed hair. So I applied a little oil because the hair was so strong, very strong. So I applied a little oil, and I also tried to comb out the hair before stretching the hair. So I tried my best to see I stretch it very well. So I handed the stretcher over to her to help me and hold it while I cut out a little, comb it, and still stretch it. Okay. So guys, we were just saying, we were, having fun. We were telling stories, just while I was still trying to stretch her hair. Her hair is very, very strong. I was trying to coil the hair. So she gave me one side eyes, that kind side look. So we laughed, we played. So I hurried up, then I finished stretching the hair before NEPA would take light. NEPA now, before they would take the light. So light is not always stable, so I hurried up and stretched the hair. So this is when I am done stretching the hair. I am done here stretching the hair. So I was trying to check if it can pack at the back. Yeah, it can. So I was like, there's no need for me to pack it. Let me just start weaving this hair. Let me just start making this hair. So I started making the hair. Here I was cutting a little so that I can start making it. Okay. I didn't really know that I was blocking the camera, that the camera was not really getting it. Okay. So I tried to check if the camera was getting it. Okay, so now I got someone to help me, to assist me and hold the phone so that she can video me very well. So I asked the person to please video her while I make the hair. I'm done with the first one, so I was cutting out another one. Okay, so after I'm done cutting it, I started making it. This style is called weaving. In my country it is called weaving. Okay, I made the hair with her natural hair. Okay, so I was making the hair. Here I was trying to cover a little boy there, so I was just trying to cover him. So I was still making the hair has started coming out beautifully here, as you can see. So um I rushed, yeah, I rushed it, so I kind of fast forward it. Oh, guys, do not mind this, my voiceover. Today I'm like, let me use a voiceover. I don't want YouTube copyright. Like, I don't want a problem. That's why I'm using a voiceover today, and I'm not feeling too fine. You have to just manage my voice like this, okay? Okay, so guys, I was almost done with that. So I wanted to give her a style here. So I was like, I'm going to do something different here. So I did, we do call it zigzag. So that's what I was doing here. So it was not really easy, guys, because I've never learned how to make hair before. I didn't learn it. So I can make different hair, different styles, but I've never learned how to make hair before. But yeah, I tried. Guys, you guys will tell me in the comment section if I tried or not, okay? So I was still making it. Guys, you know what happened? So the camera was not really brighter because it was a little bit dark. So I asked her, let's go outside. We went outside, guys. Do you know, I didn't know the person I gave my phone to videos while I was making the remaining one was not videoing us. Like, I didn't know. So I thought this person was videoing us all this while, only for me to discover now I want to edit the video, like I want to join the video. I discovered that the person was not videoing us. So guys, please, what do you think about this hair? I've never learned how to make hair before. I made this hair for my sister. I hope it's beautiful. What do you think? Is it beautiful? But I like the hair. It's so beautiful and neat. Then what you